Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Stephanie and today I'm going to be sharing with you a very easy and affordable spring wreath. So go ahead and get comfy and cozy and let's get inspired together. Let's get started.
All right, you guys, well, I'm gonna start here by adding this floral pick to the wreath, and I'm not going to be using any hot glue throughout the making of this wreath, so I'm just going to be like intertwining each one of these picks within the grapevine wreath. And it is great to do it this way instead of using hot glue, because if you decide one day that you want to change it up, you want to change the look of it, you can just go ahead and take it all apart and start over with a new creation. You are also going to see that I don't really have a particular way per se planned of where I want to place each one of these picks. So before I go ahead and intertwine it with the wreath, I kind of eyeball what it looks like. I just place it over top of the wreath and see if I like the placement. And I play around with that quite a bit with each one of the picks because, like I said, I'm not quite sure where I wanted each one of these picks to go. I just kind of play around and see what I like and what I don't like. And it's just really fun to create it. I would say that just play around with it. I find it really fun to create your own wreath as opposed to going to a store and buying an already made one. And also, you save tons of money, in my opinion, this way, because honestly, you end up probably spending half of what you would spend by buying one or by making one instead of buying one that's already made. So I would definitely suggest that you try it out. And like I said, I think it's really fun. And I think that this would be a really cute idea, even for like a girls' night. It would be a nice way to go out and go shopping, buy all the pieces and take them back home, enjoy each other's company while you're sipping on some wine and putting together these really fun wreaths. Let me know in the comments down below, do you prefer making your own wreath or would you rather just go to a store and buy one already made? If you would like to know each one of the names of these floral picks, make sure to check out my spring haul. I would be linking that video at the end of this video as well as down in the description box. So make sure to check that out. And also, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that like button. Consider subscribing to my channel for more decorating ideas. Now this goes without saying, you really don't need to use the floral picks that I am using to create this spring wreath. You can definitely use a particular flower that you like, or you have a favorite floral. Definitely go ahead and use those instead of the ones that I am using here today. Now this lavender, you guys, although it is pretty pricey, it is a pretty substantial pick, you guys. This is not even the whole pick right here. This is just a few pieces that I took from the pick that I bought from Hobby Lobby. So I definitely have more if I wanted to add more to this wreath or to use for other projects. But I would definitely say that it is totally worth the money. You guys, I love how this wreath came out. It looks so whimsy. I really was inspired by nature on this one. I really wanted it to look very natural and cottagey. And I don't know, I just love it, you guys. Let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. As far as this ribbon goes, I decided to keep it very simple. I thought about for a minute there to make a beautiful bow for this wreath, but at the end I thought less was more, and I just wanted to keep it very simple and very natural. So you could definitely go ahead if you wanted to and create a bow, but again, I just wanted to go ahead and keep it simple. So I just ended up making a knot and attaching it to the reed in this way. Again, I didn't have to use any hot glue. After placing the ribbon on top, I realized that there was quite a bit of empty space here. There's a little bit of a gap, so I decided to use this last pick that I had. Luckily, I had one more and was able to use it to fill in this gap. And that is it to this wreath, you guys. Very simple and easy to make, affordable. So I would love to know what you guys think. Please comment down below. All right, you guys, well, that was all for today. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. And if you haven't already, please make sure to share this video with your friends. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, friends, bye.